Hi, in the last lesson we created field map charts and geochart and we also compared between these two. In this lesson that we are going to create combo charts, that is the combination of both line and bar charts. Let us come back to our studio. So basically these combo charts are the combination of line chart and column charts in a single visual. We can see both in a single visual. Let us see. So these are the line charts. First one is combo charts. Second one is stacked combo charts, and third is line and smooth line charts. These two that options that these two line charts are very much equal to that time series charts, that we can use time series charts, or else we can also use both these two. Okay. So let us start with this combo charts. So let us put in our visuals somewhere. So now we have created one combination of this. So this is the bar. Actually, this is the column. This is the column, and this is the line. Okay. So what we have done? So our in our dimensions order ID has been taken. Okay. So what we will do? We will see as order dates. Order dates. Let us write order dates. So we'll see, and we'll convert this order dates into, because so many dates are there, so long list of dates are there, we'll see it into as per the quarter. So let us change it as year and quarter. We'll see this. Okay, we'll see this. This is year and quarters. Okay, this is the dates that we are checking. So year and quarters we have changed it. Now what we'll see, so first uh, let us see, let us see our metric. This is the metric. So metric is the record count that is being by default selected, record count. So first option that is chosen under metric is the line. This is the line that is chosen, and second option it has chosen by default is discount. So these columns are the discount. This tells about the discount. So first option is the line, and second option that is taken as the discount. Let us change it. So let us change it into first options. We will change into the sales. So sales will appear as a line, and sales will appear as a line. Then discount, let us change it to profit. Take for example, we will see as profit. So this is the profit that we are getting. Okay. So we are getting this. Okay. So this is how we can create a both the combination of line, because there is a long list that we will change it to a small number, so that under style options we will see. So there are so many other options we can see. Optional matrices, the matrix is there, matrix sliders options are there. All these things are, we can sort our cells according to the ascending or descending order. Date range we can also select. Okay. We can also add a filter. Okay, iteration, interaction effect also we can, cross filtering or interaction effect we can also select. So interaction that effect will help us to work according to the selection, and changes made in the selection selected visuals will also appear in the rest of the visuals it is linked with. So let us see, so what are the various style options that are available under this. Let us see. Suppose take for example, we have like, see, 500 numbers of points we have selected. Let us make it 50. So now now the columns are appearing well. So let us keep it as 10. Okay. Let us keep it as 10, take for example. So now 10 columns and lines will appear. It depends on, as per our requirement we have to select this. Let us see. So we have series 1 and series 2. Series 1 is the line. So what is the line? Sales is the line. Take for example, sales is the line. Suppose we want to make it a bar, so we can also always make it a bar. So this is the sales. Okay, blue represent sales and green represents that is profit. So let us not make it. Suppose we want to make the cumulative aspects, we can also always select. Okay, so then no show points. Suppose we want to see, we can exhibit. this. So data labels, take for example data labels we want to see. So this is the options. Right now we do not want. So suppose take for example we can see the axis into left or right, we can see all these things. See, take for example what is the difference you see. So our profit is very less and our sales is very high. Okay, there is a big gap between profit and sales. Suppose both the axes that we want to see. Okay, so what we can do, so we can convert this right side axis tells about profit, like up to 15,000 is the maximum value, whereas line that tells about the sales, that is about 30, that is about 3k. Okay, so that we can also always change. Let us not select this like this. Okay, similarly we can do series 2. What is the series 2? Series 2 is profit. We can also, the way we brought about changes in series 1, that is line, similar way we can also see. Suppose we want to convert this into a line, once again it will be line. Okay, this column become a line. Okay, no more we need it. So this is, suppose we want to change the color, take for example we can change it. Similarly, if we want the data label, so data label will appear, cumulative will appear, all these things also will appear. Okay, so cumulative will also appear if you want to see. So all these things we can always check. So data label, suppose we data label we want compact number, this compact number will also will see. So we don't no more need it. So let us see, this is also, if you see, there is another options, something that we saw here, like take for example add a chart. Add a chart, we have also stacked combo charts, and we have also this line chart. So we can also always convert it into a smooth charts, like this is smooth line charts and smooth line charts. Okay, so these are the stacked bar. Suppose we want to make a selection in this area, so this will make also like this. Okay, smooth, it will make smooth or stacked. Suppose we want to make it stack, so we can also always select depending on our requirement. Okay, let us not make it, or let us make it. Let us select it, then let us see. So show axis we want. If we do not want the axis, so we can also put like this. So suppose we want to reverse y axis in the direction, this will be reverse. Okay, like this. Okay, then reverse x axis, like that. So this will also always we have the options. So y axis also similar to, for y axis it is available. Okay. So for rest of the that options that are available for other visuals are also available here. We can change the font, we can also chart background. If you want to see a background to the charts, we can always, like we can change it. Okay, background, suppose take for example we want to keep it like light, so like that we can also see. Okay, so similarly our matrices we have selected two, like rest of the things that we have seen already. Okay, so will be also available. Okay, so that's for the lessons. Let us select whatever changes that we want to make, we can also make. Okay, so thank you for the lessons.